Mame ma akwaba emfa umbra Ghana insem TV GH so wofre me adwoa searching.
Politics e wo Ghana menka ho.
Zo.
Menka ho.
Zo.
Eni abai ni nyina asan.
Zo.
99 beto President Rollins na wo. Mene ne sane kama.
Zo.
Ewie ye President Koose ne ba meta na chi kama.
Zo.
Ewie President Mills ne ba mene ne ye adwuma.
Zo.
Na President Mahama beto aso mene ye adwuma.
Zo.
President Koose Dubai onso sa mene ye adwuma.
Zo.
President Mahama aba mene ye eso.
Zo.
Media ne se aban a Ghana fo beto aba ma no se ye nyina todo no se we ni ato ama no.
Zo.
It was something na ye adwuma na futuo na dem meka.
Zo.
Wo ma betie yitie. Wo ma ye ntie.
Zo.
Enso men kana bonte na hyem mu de.
Zo.
Enti bia na ena bi wo a Otumfuo ye NDC ne mesemafa.
Zo.
Otumfuo ye MPP ne mesemafa.
Zo.
Wo kan so anmaka CPP nso meka ho.
Zo.
Ti ne nyina meka ho.
Zo.
Me yesa Ghana mancha.
Zo.
Me yesa asa asomdwe beba Ghana man.
Zo.
Ebre ho asese de be ya Ghana nkabomu no begina ho ma enkoso aba.
Zo.
Seboti asema Otumfuo se tutu otosumi no ti asema okan. O se amanfo ka se oye NDC ni o si yo wate wafa. Amanfo ka se oye MPP ni o si yo wate wafa. Na wo kan so na wa ka kiro so sa so ye CPP ni. Inti na that means automatically no Otumfuo ankasa amanfo se oye MPP ni. But say amanfo say or MPP ni or the same thing or sasi NDC ni. But wo be shepa na wo be ka ne kora. So Otumfuo pa be ka ne kora asem ye okan ya. O pesa asumdue na eba. Te se ne okan no. Se nye asumdue na o pesa oba pa Otumfuo o se tutu otosumi no. Ono ankasa nim se NDC for na womo de target ni so MPP ni because me who MPP ni communicator wa babontin abeka se Otumfuo ye NDC ni da me who be da adi se NDC for ene womo de target Otumfuo ye MPP ni. The way NDC for communicators, it deal to Fuatamuno. A yin yan. Nanka aso on hene baby to president for. Ombra bontino metuno fuana. And also so only president ni shed them no tunofu. Yenti asema 2024 Kevin Taylor. E kan ye de for Otumfuo.
Ekufuo do nkwasi ade a oye no Ghana eya hemfo akese omo Ghana titru Otumfuo a onkasa obedwo ma yenhu de Ekufuo do eye nti no Ekufuo do ojimi ne ho mesi sans ma mekeka yi ko Otumfuo kamu miensa ankasa aban we kankwasi ade omo yenkomo jai but yesi Otumfuo ne politicians kasa wodem politicians jimi vo na omo kasa wodem ade nti na wo so Otumfuo kwa ne politicians kasa wodem. And this MPP and Ekufuo, they are using Otumfuo streets. So Mensha empese Yebeka say a political the palace. It should come out and make independent, strong statements. Statements that will change the system.
What? Obia so the NDC ni communicate bia na sorry a no person disrespect you Otumfuo. NDC communicators no obia sorry a o person disrespect you Otumfuo. Se nanke ede na ye fe se ohene a otine na konyam obefre president di na kwache dem na watu no fo. What is wrong about it? But we say there is wrong about it. Say ohene onu ye ohene no. Wafre Ghana president di na che dem na watu no fo no. O si there be Kevin Taylor so mbra bontin no mre me choose our president for. It makes sense. Who say MPP ni communicator wa babontin aba bedi sa ankofo ayi voter region ohini atamu da say voter region ohini ni NDC ni who say MPP ni communicator babontin aba disrespect voter region ohini wa baba respect wa baba disrespect ni da the behind this if one ever bonten ebe disrespect you Otumfuo all in the name of NDC party. All in the name of NDC party. What was Otumfuo ni minyansa to the states nintino? Otumfuo ni mpase amanfo NDC for ne so ye MPP ni o. But so oba bontin no obeka side one say only minyansa ntino say den or say ye ka say or ye NDC ni ye ka say or ye MPP ni ye ka say or ye CPP ni senko yadi o pese o yisu tribalism and also say o pese oma impapa mu ba na nke ni speech no obeka say NDC force or ye MPP ni obi a so the NDC ni bia communicator bia so there no take Otumfuo so Otumfuo ye MPP ni share video ni ma Ghana ni bia na Ghana ni bia hu ne kore share video we fama Ghana ni bia la na Ghana ni bia la hu ne kore
o ye MPP you to ye MPP ni asem na me be kan tie ni yi men sacrifice o political career men sacrifice o future in MPP we ye die in MPP we ye die in politics we ye die e wa abrabom men sacrifice say we defend obi a MPP mu no wanya ne hu say tam now so he is bent on destroying MPP men ye that mistake ne da kana Japan MPP mu no ne obenya bia wanya wiu wanya ne hu say tam ono ane no mutom no so a taxi driver e wo US yasi ene kana Japan e ye billionaire kana Japan ye billionaire US ya mete obi aniwa wachi taxi a wo even $10,000 e dan account obi aniwa obetimi achi taxi e wo US ya ba be millionaire na nka mpese billionaire na kana dia Japan e ye ene ye MPP adaro ma MPP na ama na ba be ye odefo a ene otimi tu ne ho se or 278 or fleet of flashy luxurious cars but US ya be hwe fia kana Japan wo ase nemba bra US ya be hwe school papa wo moko school fees akese a otua kana Japan because of MPP he will never go broke ondi hia da ne man ndi hia da na busiafo ndi hia da ne nananom ndi hia da. But who MPP youth, who MPP ni, was some party for several years. You don't even own a bicycle in your name. Kioso kra umbobi. Ejuma pakra wini biye. And you want to destroy your life, your political career. You want to sacrifice your future in MPP by defending obi or no when yan ho tam. I will say, onu do best say MPP. All my MPP mba power beam. Oh, say our life. Some of you, my future CEOs, my future ministers, my future party executives, more MPP ba mama mwenya positions akese. I improving my brabo. Ama monso mabusia enya baby edu mutiato. And you want to sacrifice it to advance the parochial interest of Ubia or no on fan hokra can Japan MPP abem nanado time contracts are unya e energy ministry nko sika PM about 1 billion Ghana cedis one only mu wan one ka say yenke kan mabunu ni bi mbom na yemfa contract ba kommo no so munya bibi nya munya sika nso omobotom contract our sika PM millions of Ghana cedis one kada empo say me kwa kwahwehwe mabunu ba ko mienu miensa bi na me dey change your lives They know they and so they told luxurious cars. We are no upon a home kakra, no they are donation am MPP, no a check cameras, a season and central for no more publishing, no the two who know the journey. He doesn't care about you, Ochina. We are right now that can you pick phone to call Canada Japan and say, on coming to your aid. Now bet me I sakra and Koose da ben now there ube who are beg. Rather say ube yusu energy. Edi aye campaign ama MPP. Ama MPP aba power now so when ya bibi aye no. Udi ho. Udi social media na would defend you. Obi a when ya ne ho every on care about you on found ho. Our person was say MPP na edi ye ebe bro. Hwe. Omo mudi alliance machin echi koye. Ko check your my brabo. Majority of them oma make you 10. Aba back to MPP. You see, individuals will come and go. Individuals, they will come and go. But MPP will always be there. MPP will always be MPP. Now, yane say, would the individual be echi? Eko heti MPP, ye BBTI MPP. Always, ye be yusu etiao. People will remind you of that. Krofo had decided, ebe deny you opportunity was sefata. Opportunity a juma na as a position be a was a fata. People will use it against you all the time. All the time. Until we are babunu, we are party ni. At this juncture, at this point in our political life, in our party, Nasa was who defended Canada Japan. Me say jini whom you know. Jini whom you know, jini wa bra bom jini wa kasa o political career. Jini whom Jene ho ye babuna jene ho me party ayeye. There are people that I look up to. So for if at any point in time I'm more rebel against MPP, almost sorry to MPP, I will never follow them. I will never follow them. I will always be loyal and committed to MPP. I will never follow you. I will never follow you, regardless of Papa why mommy. Yes, I would see MPP sweat. I will never follow you. At this point, put your own life, your own political career, your own interest, your future ahead of everything. Prioritize that. And stop say we defending Canada Japan say we're investing in MPP. And Nipan clearly a chantro. And they say MPP. And you are defending him. Me say, MPP, Canada Japan to me, MPP in the opposition, 2029, yeah, ba power. Regardless of new obey, yeah, ba power. Until we are MPP, yeah. Reason up. Like, wise up.